It's Boxycharm time! Hey you guys, so for today's video we're doing my favorite video of the month. We are unboxing Boxycharm for July. Actually, I already unboxed it because I tested some of these things out, so we're not unboxing it, okay? But we are going to talk about what you get in July's Boxycharm. And I know, right? I replaced the flowers, I cleaned out the water, I decided we ain't doing that ratchet shit no more. That dirty ass water is unacceptable, we ain't doing that again. Let's go ahead and jump in. So for July's Boxycharm, let's talk about it, shall we? So this month is the Road Trippin' box. I guess road trip, summer, people take road trips in the summertime. Cute little theme we have going on, right? So again, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box for $21. You get 4 to 6 full-size products every single month. As always, I will have my referral code below in the description box. I don't make commission or anything like that. I just get charms, and when you get charms, you can redeem them for products. So if you want to sign up and you want to use my link, it will be below. Don't feel pressured. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. Again, I don't make any money off of it. I just get like points for referring people, and sometimes you get rewarded. So let's just go ahead and start talking about the box. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is something that I actually don't have anymore. It was the Cover FX highlighting drops. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture right here or right here. And I got this because I had referred a friend who signed up, and this month they were doing a promotion where if you refer a friend, you and the friend get a full-size Cover FX, the highlighting drops. I can't remember the exact name for them, but you guys all know what I'm talking about. So I referred a friend this month and I got the drops. They were in the shade Blossom. I'm saying this with so much like, so much anger because they were a pink type of highlighting drops, and this is becoming a reoccurring theme. We all know how I feel about pink. I'm not going to talk about it anymore, but yeah, I went ahead and gave them away to my grandma. She loves pink and she loves liquid highlighters because she has really dry skin. So I saw her over the weekend, so I just went ahead and gave it to her. But that itself retails for, I think, I want to say $42. And that's the cool thing about Boxycharm too, is they do stuff like that all the time where usually you get points, but sometimes they'll do promotions where if you refer a friend, they will send you a product in your box. So I had just happened to have somebody sign up. I got them and she got them. It was really cool. Unfortunately, the color didn't work out for me, but that's okay. I went ahead and gave them away. They're gonna get used regardless. So this month, they had the option of sending, I believe it was a Tarte setting spray and this crown palette. I ended up getting the palette in my variation of the box. This palette retails for $29. That's, oh, it's Crown Pro. Maybe Crown Pro is a little more pricey. When I used to work at the salon, we would go to hair shows all the time. Crown brushes was always there at every single hair show that I went to, and I've gotten so many brushes from them that are just so affordable. Like, I'm talking like $1, $2 brushes. So when I saw that this was $29, I was like, that's a little pricey, but maybe they have Crown Pro as like an extension. I think L'Oreal does that. L'Oreal has their brand, and then they have L'Oreal Pro, their hair care line. So yeah, this retails for $29. It's really pretty. It's like your typical warm tone palette. This is called the Fuego Eyeshadow collection. I actually didn't use this, and I didn't use it because I literally have 80,000 of the same palettes with all of these same tones. So I'm actually probably going to end up putting this in a giveaway, or I'll use it as a gift for one of my makeup classes. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Honestly, you can never really have too many warm tone palettes, but I can find another use for this, and it's legit the Naked Heat in a different brand. Of course, I don't know how it blends. I don't know how the pigment is. I saw some other people who did their Boxycharm reviews and they had nothing but good things to say about it, so I'm sure it's just fine. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and end up giving that away. The next one was this Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Looks just like this. This retails for $26. That's so expensive. I would never spend $26 on this. I have it on my eyebrows today, and actually I think it looks really nice. I will say this was a little hard to work with. First of all, I compare everything to Dip Brow because Dip Brow is the best creation of existence, and it is the light of my life when it comes to eyebrows. So if you guys are familiar with Dip Brow, you can dip your brush in that one time and do one whole eyebrow. This, I found that I really had to like dig it into my product, and you don't have a lot of work time with it. When it dries down, if you're still trying to blend it out, it kind of got a little bit crumbly and crumbled onto my face. I was able to make this work, but it was just okay. It's not my favorite. I'll probably finish this in like 2 weeks because that's how much product you get in it. And also that little opening is so small. Like, who thought that was a good idea? Because my brush didn't even fit in it, and I used the Anastasia brush. It's really, really thin and really tiny, and it like barely fit in there. But yeah, it does come with a brush on the other end. I did not use this brush because it's a little too thick for my liking. But yeah, that is that. And then the next thing you get is this mascara. This is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This mascara retails for $24. It has this little curve shaped brush. I love a curve shaped brush when it comes to mascaras. My favorite one is the L'Oreal Luminous, but it has to be the curve shaped one. I love that mascara. It's my holy grail mascara of forever in existence. I can say truthfully that I've probably been through hundreds because I've been using it since I was in high school. I used this today. Actually, I really like it a lot, surprisingly. I'm very, very picky when it comes to mascaras. I just got to the point where I stopped trying them because I just never liked them as much as I like the Voluminous. So yeah, I like that a lot. It's really nice, and it's kind of cool because it's kind of like a squeezy tube. It made my lashes not like super, super thick, but it made them really nice and long and separated if you're into that. And then the next thing we have is this from Note Cosmetics. I believe this is a newer brand. I've seen this floating around the internet, and this is the first thing that I've tried from them. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. This retails for $11.99. Also, this is pretty affordable. And then the color that I have is Desert Rose, and I think on the box, I already threw the box away, but I'm pretty sure this said it has argan oil in it. Yeah, this does have argan oil in it. I don't know how this wears yet because I just put it on. I've only had it on for like an hour or so. I'll have to update you guys, but I will say on this side of my face, it went on a little streaky. It was only on one side of my cheek, so that could have been that I just didn't powder that well because I was kind of rushing to get ready. But yeah, I'll update you guys. It does go on super pigmented. Do not make the mistake I did and go in with a heavy hand. Blush is just a downfall. Like, I love blush and I feel like I never have enough on, and I always go in with a really heavy hand. My cheeks look way too rosy, and I don't know why I just don't stop, but I continue to do it, you know? So I really had to go in and blend it out, but I think it looks pretty. I have it on right now, and I think it looks nice. So yeah, I'll update you guys on how I like that. The last thing that I got is this right here, and this is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel Eye Cream. This retails for $42, and this is the literal worst eye cream that I've ever used in my life in existence. So I've actually used a couple of things from Dr. Brandt, and I have never ever liked anything that I've tried from that brand. I don't know, you know what, it's not me. I know I'm not the only one who feels this way, and I'm not going to take the blame for it because I just don't like their skincare. I've tried their Pores No More primer. I don't like that primer. I got a mask and another Boxycharm that burned the shit out of my face when I put it on. I'll insert a picture if I can find it. I might have even thrown it away. My face was so red and irritated, and it just burnt my skin so bad. This eye cream, to say the least, is the worst eye cream that I've ever used, and I thought it was gonna be cool at first because it's supposed to kind of counteract dark circles. So you can see it kind of comes out in like this peachy color, and it says on the back to warm it up between your fingers, and it gets a little more liquidy, kind of like petroleum jelly, but it's sticky. Like, that's the thing about it, is it's sticky, and it says that you can use this under makeup. I patted it under my eyes, and instantly, like just before I even put my makeup over it, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna give it a chance, but I don't think I'm gonna like it because my under eyes still looked really dry. They looked really crackly, and number one, let me start by saying I don't have sensitive eyes. I don't wear glasses or contacts, or like eye creams don't usually irritate my eyes. I can use almost any eye cream. My eyelids will get dry sometimes, like if I'm not taking care of my skin or I'm not moisturizing properly, but that's just if I'm not taking care of my skin like I usually do. This was awful. This made my under eyes so dry. This burnt the shit out of my eyes. Like my eyes were watering so hard. My eyes are not really one. Well, sometimes this one will water a little bit, but typically they don't water. I just don't have sensitive eyes, and this made my eyes so watery. I was so mad. So that's why I actually don't have on eyeshadow, because my eyes were just so irritated when I tried this. I'm not even gonna give this to anybody. I'm literally probably just gonna throw this away because this was awful. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip right here of after I did my foundation. Oh my god, it just was so crumbly and it was just so bad. My foundation, my concealer just was grabbing to it. It looked like I had not moisturized my eyes in like a week and they were just deprived, you know? I'm telling you, I've tried Dr. Brandt, several things from the line, and I just don't like it. It never works out for me. So I wish Boxycharm would stop putting Dr. Brandt in their box. Does anybody like Dr. Brandt? I'm just curious. I've tried probably like 6 or 7 items from that line and I just have never, like I've either never used it again or I've always returned it. So yeah, that's my opinion. I can't be the only one that feels this way because there's just no way. Like there's no way. This is terrible. $42 is more than a tank of gas. I would never spend $42 on this. Yeah, now that I have that rant over, that's actually it. That's all I have to say. I just wanted to keep this one a little shorter than my usual Boxycharm videos so we could just kind of throw out there what was in this box. And I think they're actually doing a special right now where if you refer a friend, you get the Bum Bum Cream, which was in their last box. That stuff is amazing. If you guys refer a friend, you get that lotion in your next box, and then your friend also gets it in their box. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe before you go. You hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Even if you don't like this video, just give me a thumbs up. Like, why not, you know? Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.